Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my quick guide to how to mod on Twitch. Drink and Run here, and I've modded on Twitch for over 5 years now. I'm making this series to make your life as new mod or small streamer easier. In this video, I'm going to cover how to check someone's chat history and leave mod notes. If this video helps you out and you'd like to see more, please press all the good buttons down below. Also feel free to leave a comment letting me know which topic you'd like to see me cover in a later video. Please note I'll be showing this from my browser. I don't really use the mobile app, so apologies if that's what you're looking for. If that's something you'd like to see later, let me know in the comments. Sometimes how you deal with a person in chat depends a lot on who that person is. Two people can say the exact same statement, and what would be incredibly rude from a stranger that just joined the community 2 minutes ago would be fun joking around from someone who's been there for months or years even. As a mod, it's unlikely that you'll be there for every minute of every stream, so you're going to miss some inside jokes, or new people joining the community. Or maybe you're still fairly new to the community yourself when you were made a mod, and you're looking for a way to get up to speed on who everyone is. Today I'm going to cover 2 ways to help you catch up on what you've missed faster: chat history and mod comments. To start off, let's look at the mod comments. Click on a person's name in chat, and you'll see the mod comments button with a number on it. That number will tell you how many mod comments there are. If the number is 0, no mods have left a comment on this particular chatter. If you click on the mod comments button, it'll show you the notes about that user that other mods have left. These can be useful if, say, a chatter is pushing the boundaries but hasn't quite done anything worth banning them for. If this person shows up later, these notes can be a quick way to catch all the mods up on what happened and how they should be dealt with going forward. And that's just one example of how to use mod comments. They can be used to share any information that would be helpful to remember later. At the bottom is a chat window where you can type out something to add to the mod comments. Just hit add when you're done. To remove a comment, hover your mouse over it and click on the little trash can icon. You can also check a user's chat history from here. Click on the messages button and you'll find everything this user has ever said in the channel, complete with the date and timestamp. As you can see, this also includes messages that were deleted. This can be helpful in getting you caught up on who a person you don't recognize in chat is. Help you if someone's arguing a moderating decision and they say they did or didn't say a certain thing, or can be used to find fun memories of longtime regulars on the stream. As you can see, this page also lists a history of all of their timeouts and bans. You can also find all of this if you click the pop-out icon in the upper right-hand corner as well. As usual, all of this information can be accessed from mod view as well. Simply left-click the user's name, and the user info panel will open up, giving you easy access to all the information I just showed you. If you're a streamer and want to find this information from your stream manager, you can find their name in the chat window, and it works exactly the same way here as it does on the regular channel page. You can also access this by searching the users in chat and clicking on someone's name. I hope this tutorial helped you out. There's a lot that goes into modding on Twitch. If you have something you'd like to see covered in a future quick guide to Twitch modding, let me know in the comments. Also, I don't just mod on Twitch, I'm a streamer too. There's a link to my channel in the description. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8:30 p.m. Pacific time. We have a fun community, and I'd love for you to join us. I like interacting with my chat a lot, so you're welcome to ask me questions about modding there too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.